Hey guys, Ferrari Dave here with the Apple HomePod. Gonna unbox it. One thing that's really smart, even on the shipping box, it's not much bigger than the unit, and there's no like tape you have to rip off. It's just like a tab you like open and then pull up. Super easy. All boxes should be like that. All right, and let us pull it out of the box. Here's the box, very small. Even if you have the black unit like I do, it's still a white one on there. I thought that was kind of interesting. So here it is. It's so small. It's even smaller here. Comes with a cord and some little sticker that says HomePod, which basically just has like the Siri commands. And then that's pretty cool. It has what the top buttons do. You can tap to play pause, double tap for next track, triple tap for previous, touch and hold to activate Siri, much like your phone. And then there's a plus or a minus, which I'll show you. You get an Apple sticker, very minimalist. You get the warranty card and like a general little info card, which is pretty cool. So yeah, very minimalist. You just get the unit and a power cord. So let's plug it in and take a look and check it out. All right, so plugging it in, fairly straightforward. What's interesting is you don't really know that it's turned on necessarily until you start seeing that. The pairing is super easy. You just tap your phone and then it prompts up on any iOS device. Hey, do you want to transfer your settings? Do you want to pair? It's kind of foolproof. Once it is set up, you have these. Telling you that I did my best. Once it's set up, you have this plus or minus, kind of as the default. We're playing music right now. When you tap it, it just goes black. And then, as I said earlier, to activate Siri. So, talking about the speaker itself, the bass is ridiculous. The loudness is ridiculous. Everyone said the sound is really good. The HomePod came out, and if you don't want the smart speaker, I have the Harman, and this I'm still going to keep and use for portability. The Harman Kardon, very lightweight, and it's kind of neat because it's kind of technically a three-way speaker in that there's two tweeters, so stereo separation, a passive, like two mids, and then like a passive radiator or kind of woofer. Well, actually there's two, one here and one here. This actually sounds a little bit brighter than that. You can adjust the EQ if you're using a Mac or an iOS device through like AirPlay. The standard EQ on here though, the bass is really good, the mids are solid. It does depend a lot on placement. It's best like near a wall where it can like bounce off, whereas like in the center of the room here. Well, let's check it out.
I think that possibly, maybe I'm falling for you.
For size, in case you were wondering how small it was, grande-sized Starbucks coffee cup. Literally about the same height. It's probably gonna be about a venti. Really, I just don't have a venti around. So that is really, really teeny. And it's not that much wider even too. It is heavy. Setup is super easy. The use is super easy once you have it going, especially if you have Apple devices. So yeah, I'm kind of digging it so far. Let me know in the comments if you have any other questions. Till next time, my speedy racers, drive on.